New pickup. Finally, I was able to find a seller who sold this Lisa on the cover for Hong Kong Harper magazine. Couldn't find anyone who sold it because this is only limited in Hong Kong, only dropped in Hong Kong. And I didn't know anyone there, but finally found someone who was able to ship it to me. Came through FedEx, so I'm happy about that. Let's take a look. Take a look. Here you go. Lisa on the cover. Harper magazine, April. Just the back of it. So yeah, happy. I was able to get it. Needed it in my collection. Yeah, she's wearing Celine. Let's take a look. The magic of Lisa. Gucci, Dior, Miu Miu, Lisa. Oh, not focusing. Focus. There you go. Lisa on here. Celine bag. Here's Hong Kong. You know, like I said, that's so hard to track one down. Couldn't find any sellers on eBay or anywhere who was selling this magazine. So I was able to finally found one because I needed it in the collection. There's Lisa. Here you go, Lisa. Something more than La Lisa. So I think she posted these on her IG as well. Some of these pictures. But yeah, she's wearing the new Celine. Yeah, it's just featured in the cover, so I had to pick it up. And yeah, quick pickup based on the cover for Harper for Hong Kong. Thanks for watching. I'm still waiting on some pre-orders to come in and waiting for the new album, so hopefully that's released soon. But subscribe, and more content's coming in. See you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.